Welcome back, folks. Today, we're going to dive into a powerful retirement savings strategy known as the Backdoor IRA. If you want to supercharge your retirement savings, this is the video for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the basics. A Backdoor IRA is a strategy that allows high-income earners to contribute to a Roth IRA, even if they exceed the income limits. It involves making non-deductible contributions to a traditional IRA, and then converting those funds to a Roth IRA. This way you can benefit from the tax advantages of a Roth IRA. Step 2. Open a traditional IRA. If you don't have one already, open a traditional IRA with a trusted brokerage or financial institution. Make sure to choose a reputable provider with low fees and a user-friendly interface. Step 3. Make non-deductible contributions. Once your traditional IRA is set up, contribute funds to it on a non-deductible basis. This means you won't get an immediate tax deduction for these contributions. Step 4. Timing is everything. It's crucial to allow some time to pass between your non-deductible contribution and the conversion to a Roth IRA. Ideally, wait for at least one statement period to avoid potential tax issues. Step 5. Convert to a Roth IRA. Now, it's time to convert your traditional IRA funds to a Roth IRA. Contact your financial institution and request a Roth IRA conversion. They will guide you through the process, which typically involves completing some paperwork. Step 6. Be aware of tax implications. Keep in mind that you'll owe taxes on any pre-tax earnings in your traditional IRA at the time of conversion. It's essential to consult with a tax professional to understand the potential tax consequences based on your specific situation. And that's it. By following these steps, you can take advantage of a backdoor IRA and enjoy the long-term tax benefits of a Roth IRA, regardless of your income level.